Welcome to this demonstration of PageFlame. Now, PageFlame is probably the most advanced Facebook application that you have ever seen. It is literally jam-packed full of features that is going to benefit anybody using Facebook for any form of marketing. It literally allows you to create Facebook landing pages at the touch of a button with a drag and drop editor, all the way through to one-click lead collection. It literally has everything. Now, once you've connected your Facebook account to PageFlame, you are ready to go. And you're going to begin with Create Facebook tab. Now, within the Facebook tabs, you will see a number of Facebook actual themes or Facebook templates, whatever you want to call them. And this will be dependent on the amount that you have with the membership type that you have. So you begin with a blank canvas. You can use one of the e-commerce templates. You can use one of the event templates, and there's multiple ones within here that you can simply change very easily, and everything is drag and drop. You have giveaways and coupons. You have landing pages and opt-in pages. You have social elements within there. You even have video, actual landing pages, video opt-ins. Everything again has a drag and drop element. Now, I'll begin with events. Okay, and I'll just choose the first one to begin with. So once I like a theme that would relate to the people that I want to kind of promote to, I'm just going to go to use theme, and remember, I don't have to, I can create one from scratch. I'm just going to go to enter a name. I can choose an actual image, or I'll just choose the default for this, and I'll choose the actual page that I want to post this to. Okay, create and continue. Okay, once that's created, I now have two elements once I'm able to edit this actual theme. The two elements that I have are the theme itself. So the theme itself, I can actually drag and drop any element on there, okay, from the actual images that you see to the text. Change the size, change the actual font, okay, and just go to save. Okay, now I can change the video. So the video that you can see there, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, I can move where it goes. I can actually change the URL, very simple. Okay, the buy buttons, I can simply change the URL of the image. I can change the URL where I want people to go. I can change the link that they go to, where they open a new window, the style. Like I said, everything is drag and drop, everything is fully customizable, everything is fully editable. So as you can see, that is a theme that you could use very easily. You could publish it straight away just by changing the elements on the actual page. Now that's one part of the software. The other part is the widgets that you see on the left hand side. And I'm going to demonstrate the most powerful widgets on here now. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to extend the page. So let me just extend that page to 4,500. Okay, and the page is extended. Now every element that you see within the widgets, and there's multiple ones, in fact there's a hell of a lot, it's got the drag and drop. So you can change it, you can drag it over. We have two text editors. And like I said, everything that you see here, I'll just drag the countdown timer in. I'll just change that. I'll just change the time. Let's go to done. Okay, and just go to save. That will now start to count down. As you can see, I've put this now on a blank canvas, but I can quite easily move that up and put it on the template that I have here. Just change the colour there. Okay, and just go to save. And as you can see, that has changed now. Okay, but I just wanted to show you on this blank canvas so you can see a lot easier how you can build these pages up to make them exactly how you want them. I can add links. Now, one element of the link, which is really good, is that you can have an invisible area. And what that allows you to do is put link on virtually any part of your sales page. So it may be that you have an image uploaded. It may be that you have multiple options within your sales page where people can purchase something from that page. And you just tell people, click on the element, click on the image, and you will be able to buy that product. So say, for instance, I was selling clothes. I had 10 pairs of jeans with a model, and I said, you know, click on the pair of jeans that you like the best, and then I could get them to actually go directly and buy that pair of jeans, whichever individual ones that they chose. Again, it works amazingly well, not just for purchasing, but get people with that micro, get people clicking on your landing pages, get them to go to wherever you want, drop them off wherever you want. And again, I would just simply add in the URL that I want people to go once they click on the elements of the sales page. Okay, I'm just going to delete that. Okay, I can add in icons. Again, with the icons, hundreds and hundreds of different icons that you can add here. Let's go to an inbox. Okay, it's going to go to save, and that will change the icon there, make it move it wherever I want. Okay, another thing I can add is a slider. Again, another powerful feature of the software is the slider element. This works very much like the kind of carousel ads that you see on Facebook, where you may have multiple products, services that you want to sell, actual information that you want to provide, and you can build these sliders up. So let's say, for instance, I'm just going to add some text to this top slider. It could be text, it could be a countdown time, it could be image, whatever you want. So I'm just going to say this is slide 1. I'm just going to save that. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is just going to add that. I'm going to add another slide. So add slide, slide 2. Just going to add text there. I'll just put in slide 2. Okay, applied. And I'm just going to edit it again one more time. Just add a slide. So slide 3. And all I'm going to do on this one, I'm just going to put a countdown timer. So just put a countdown timer. Okay, and just go to save. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to save. Okay, so now I have 3 elements of that. So how would that look on my sales page? And like I said, I can drag this up to the top, to the bottom, anywhere but here. I'll just demonstrate it. So I'm just going to preview that. Okay, so as you can see now, we have the slide. So I can go to slide 2. The slide 2 will come in. Go to slide 3. The countdown timer, and as you can see, you could build this up with images, with links, 5 slides, 10 slides, whatever it may be. So it's very nice to be able to add loads of content onto your sales page without kind of flooding it, without making it too congested. So I'm just going to go to return. Okay, another feature of that as well, I can basically have the settings with regards the kind of flow of how a person goes to the next slide. So I can go fade, right, left, duration, slow, medium, or fast. I can change the background color. Okay, very, very easily. So again, everything is done with the design that you want, the look and feel that you want. It's going to go to save. Okay, with regards to the widgets now, I have Facebook tools. So I have the Facebook like button. Okay, Facebook send button. Okay, so I can get people to send or send them directly. I've got the Facebook share button, so they can share my tab. Okay, so the app URL, or I can put a custom URL wherever I want. I can make them share this, so it may be a discount code, it may be, and I want actually more people to come to this app. We have the Facebook video button. Again, so it can be a URL, and they can share my video. We all know how powerful video is at the moment with the Facebook comment section. Okay, and this works with the Facebook comments plugin, so you can have Facebook comments at the bottom of your page, get people involved, get people excited, get people creating that buzz for you. Okay, so that's the Facebook elements. Social integration, we have Twitter stream. Okay, we have different tweets on there. All we're going to do is get tweets that we can add to our page. Facebook Twitter share. Okay, so they can tweet exactly what we've got. The Google Plus. I'm not going to add them all because like I said, you can use these yourself. Pinterest. Okay, the RSS feed. You can have Google Maps. Okay, so you can have a Google Map on your sales page. It may be that you are promoting your business. It may be that you're promoting your client's business. So you can put in the address and it will link to Google Maps on your sales page. Okay, and you've got LinkedIn there. The interactive media, so we can add an image. But let me just delete some of these. We get a bit more space. I'm just going to delete that. I'm just going to delete that. And I'm just going to leave a map there. Okay, so we can have an image. Again, with the link, the main, Gary, very easy to do, but add the images. You could add this onto the slider. So it's very easy to do there. Okay, a YouTube video, a Vimeo video. You can have Flash Element, you can have Flickr, you can even add SoundCloud. So you can have music. Okay, you just put in your SoundCloud URL and you can have a playlist on there. Playing music, very, very easy. Okay, I'm going to delete that. What we can have then is contacts and email. So we have an email. Okay, so they can send an email directly to you. So they can connect with you. They can email you directly by simply putting your email, and it would then connect to the autoresponder, or should I say their email provider, and they could email you directly. You can change the button of that if you want. and you can have the Skype. You can get people to call you directly from your sales page. You have form tools. So again, you can have a form box. Okay, so you can have people to email you. On success, you can show them a thank you message. You can get them to download something. You can show a video in a pop-up. You can redirect to a URL. You can have a form button on here. You can have label. You can have input. Okay, so you can use your own autoresponder. So rather than email you, you can connect your autoresponder. We currently support Aweber, Campaign Monitor, Constant Contact, Get Response, iContact, and MailChimp. Okay, all you need there is your authorization code, and people will then start to opt into your list very easily. Okay, loads of different features there, which I'm not going to add. The radio buttons with regards, again, getting people to, let me just delete that, move that there. Okay, the radio buttons are where you get people to opt in to your surveys, and you even have a submit button there that you can actually use. Okay, advanced tools. Okay, you can add HTML, and you can add iframe and e-commerce. Let me just see if I can add the PayPal button up here. So you can add your PayPal button, and you can get somebody to buy something now. All you'd need is your PayPal code, and they could buy directly through your page. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that. And then all I would do is, once I've created the page in the format that I want, I'd simply go to publish. Okay, the page was successfully published. So I'm just going to go to Facebook. Okay, I'm just going to choose my page. Okay, I'm just going to go to Page Flame Demo. As you can see, there you have it, with all the elements that you wanted on there. And as you can see at the bottom, I've got the different text there, different sliders. So everything is there now that is on my Facebook page that I've done. Now, that's all well and good in saying that you want people to actually go to your page. Okay, but what a lot of people say is, okay, so you've got this now on my page, but how am I going to drive how am I going to drive traffic to that fan page? So we have different ways of doing that. One element that we can do is that we can actually share. So we can share that we have added content to our Facebook tab. Now, this will actually go to our news feed. So I can enter the message. Let's say, for instance, I just added a discount code. Get discount code. Going here now. Caption, we'll just show demo so you can see where it is. Title, demo 1. Description, whatever you want. Okay, the tab link, so what we can do within that, we can make it so when people click on that, they can actually go directly to the tab, or we may not want to use that tab, we want a custom link, so we would do that. We can add an image, or we can add a video, so we'll just use an image that I've used in the past, simply like that, and from computer. Now, this is again is a really powerful option within the software, and this is called Auto Generate Lead. Now, literally, you can gather information, gather data on the person who is clicking on your opt-in form or going over to your tab. You give them the option though, okay, so they can opt in to give you that information, that public information. So if we go to Auto Generate Lead, we can go to yes. Okay, now this will then set to the default option. So you're going to gather the email address and you're going to gather the name. But we have a feature within here where we can add different information that we want to collect on the person. So ranging all the way from education, okay, through to last name, age range, gender, religion, website, events, work, if they have this open to public. So they have a Facebook public profile, and go to select. Okay, then what we can do there, we can use the default app, or you can use your own app. So you can even link your own app to PageFlame, and rather than PageFlame collect the data, you can collect the data through your own application. And let me show you how this works. So I'm just going to go to test, okay, and then what I'm going to go to is post. Now what's going to happen is that's going to post to that Facebook page. I can do it to my own newsfeed if I want, but I'm just going to do it to my Facebook page. It's got shared successfully. Again, I'll go over to Facebook. Okay, I'm just going to go to test and show you where that's posted. And as you can see here, that could be a discount code or anything that I want. Get a discount code by going here, demo 1, demo whatever you want. Okay, and when they click on that, okay, they're going to get some information. Now, don't worry the way that this looks. We're going to change this. It's just show you it works. So we're going to change the UI of this. We're going to change what it says. But this is actually going to say, I agree to share my email and publish public information with Lee Pennington, who may contact me via email. Okay, so we're getting them to opt in. If I go to yes, continue, it's going to gather data, and I'll show you that in a minute. If I go to no thanks, that'll go directly to the tab anyway, where they can actually input their data there. But if they say yes, continue, what will happen is now they'll go over to my tab. Okay, as you can see that load, they'll go over to the tab with all that information on. This could be a squeeze page. This could be where I'm giving them value, a video, whatever it may be. Now, if I go back over to the page flame, okay, what I can do now is, because I said yes, I submitted that I want to give my information to Lee Pennington. So those leads now, as you can see, have been collected in leads 1. So it comes through as an Excel file. I'm going to save. Okay, I'm just going to open that up. As you can see, let's close that. That has now got my name and it's got my email. So that's what it's set to. I didn't set anything else. I didn't set any more kind of information that I wanted to gather. I'm just going to go to, just going to open that up. I'm just going to give you all my email. But as you can see, it's grabbed my email now, which is linked to my Facebook account, and it's grabbed my name, and I've got all that information which I could upload to, let's say, Facebook, and use it as a custom audience. Okay, people have to opt in though to get that information. You're not going to get that information unless they have agreed to do so. So it's like a Facebook application. Now, the reason that you saw it like that as well is because I'd already approve the application when I do this to PageFlame. For anyone new users, it will be shown slightly different. The UI will be a lot better. So as you can see, a lot of powerful features, and that doesn't finish there. We can actually Google Analytics, so we can grab the Google Analytics. Okay, we can view on Facebook. We can unpublish it. Okay, we can change the page. We can change the icon. We can rename it. We can duplicate it. Okay, and one other thing that I should show you, let me just go and edit this. Okay, we have an image designer. Now, the image designer works with the fact that whenever a person posts to the newsfeed, they may want a different image to go to that. They want to be exclusive. They want to have that professional look and feel. So rather than going away from the platform, they can actually create the exact image that they want that will be posted to the newsfeed. And then when I save this, so I could add text, okay? So it's very easy to add text, all different elements in here. Okay, just very easy to change that. I can change the text. I can add a drawing. Okay, but once I actually save that, so let's say for instance I go there and just go to save. Okay, I want to go to save and save that. And I'll just go back over now to PageFlame. Obviously I didn't do anything there, but if I go back to PageFlame, okay, and when I want to publish that, sure. Okay, if I go from gallery, okay, obviously you can't see that because I didn't create anything, but each image that I create through the image editor will be added to my gallery. So again, I never have to leave the platform. I can create unlimited, or depending on my account, I can create landing pages at the touch of a button. I can tell people about it through the newsfeed, and it will push and drive traffic directly to that tab, to that landing page. I can actually edit that to add the content that I want. I can then collect the lead through the one-click process, and that goes through to an Excel file as long as people opt into that, or they can go directly to the tab by saying no thanks. So again, we mitigate anybody who says yes or anyone who says no, goes directly to that. And with the image editor, I can create these images that go to the newsfeed. So it is the all-in-one solution. Like I said, there isn't anything else like this on the marketplace that gives all these features in one platform where you never have to leave. You can create the drag and drop field page. You can do the newsfeed, so you can drive traffic. It has the traffic element. You can collect the leads. So again, you can build your list either through the opt-in pages that you create or through the one-click lead collector. I can then get those directly to an Excel file, and I can create images that go to the news feed. Like I say, so many features, so many things that I've not been able to cover, but I do want to keep this as short as possible. As you can see, this is probably the most powerful Facebook application ever to hit the market.